Welcome to my channel. So here from this video again I came up with one more video to the candidates who are looking for the work from home, that means home tutors or else the online tutor jobs. So here the total 21,911 vacancies are there. So any graduates or else undergraduates or else the postgraduates, freshers can also apply to this one, and really it is gonna be to be a very good news to all the job seekers, guys. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so here it is, our website name is mysmartpros.com. okay, so you may check down this one, mysmartpros.com. so please type that one in the browser, guys, then you will be directed to this one, and here you may check down that find home and online tutor or else the home and online tuition of the teaching jobs. Fine. So here the huge number of vacancies are there, guys, so utilize this opportunity and I will show you how to access that one. Okay, so after once entering into this website, okay, so if you are, I'm a home tutor, teacher, institute or online tutor, okay, so click on this one, then you will be directed to one registration here. So you have to fill up all these details, guys. Okay, so the full name, email address, mobile number and the password and confirm password. Okay, so please fill up all these details and what location would tutor prefer for teaching. Okay, so if you are preferring for the online platform, then just click on this one and then proceed to the next. So it is the way of registering with this website, and once after registering, then how to get the students and how to know what are the vacancies are there. Once after registration is completed, then just come back to the home page and here click on the search online tutor jobs. Fine, then you will be directed to this web page, guys, and here you may check down the total 21,911 results found. Okay, so here huge vacancies are there, so with patience please check down one by one. Okay, so here you may check down the job ID and the job date, that is 10th April 2021 evening 4 o'clock. Syllabus is CBSE, class is 6th and area is Gurugram. Okay, and the landmark and the learner type requires the online tuition, preferred tutor male or female, and here the helpline number is given, but it is not the students helpline, guys. So it is, I think it is the website owners or else this company's owner helpline number. Fine. So if you want to get the full details, then click on that one, then you will be directed to the full details of this candidate. Okay, so contact timings and all these things are given here. Fine. So if you click on the view contact, then you have to enter your mobile number or else the email number, guys, and then click on the submit, and then the next procedure will start. Okay, so like that you may check down here next job ID. So overall subjects are required and the class is UKG, and coming to the class 3rd, so area from Hyderabad, and the subjects required are maths, English and Hindi. So coming to next one, class 5 Delhi, overall subjects. Okay, so home tuitions or online tuition, so like that. So you may search out here the huge number of vacancies, guys. So whatever the subject you belongs to or else whatever the subjects you can deal. Okay, and if you are the online tuition or else if you are preferring the home tuitions, then anything is fine. Okay, so please select that one and proceed further. Okay, so it is how to access the website, guys, and you may check down here the huge number of pages are there. Okay, so see, guys, total 2,192 pages are there. So here also you will get the vacancies. Fine, so you may check down clearly one by one. Okay, so whatever the recent vacancies are there, please go through only that one, or else you may search here for the online tuition. If you are good in mathematics, then just click on the maths, then whatever the maths related online tutor jobs are there, so they will be highlighted here. Okay, and you just opt those things, guys. Fine, so it is how you can able to access this website. Okay, or else you may just coming back to the home page. Okay, if you scroll down, you may search out here, so search home tuition jobs in preschool, school, inter or PUC, college or university, accounts and Indian and foreign languages test preparation, PSU examinations, or else home tutor in, I mean, if you are nearer to the cities, or else if you are staying in the cities, then you can go for the home tutor jobs as well as the online also. Okay, online means all over the India, wherever you are. If you are having the laptop with internet connection, then you can go for the online tuitions, guys. Okay, fine. So these are the things. And if you want to get the WhatsApp job alerts, then just click on this one. Okay, then you, I mean, chat on WhatsApp with this one. So continue chat, then you will get all the job alerts. Okay, so if you want to register as a tutor here, then click on this one. Okay, register as a tutor. Then as I told in the starting itself, so you can register here, and whatever the contact number is mentioned at each and everywhere. Okay, in the vacancies part, so guys, it is a helpline number is provided here, or else you may directly contact this contact number, guys, if you're having any queries, and else if you want to talk. So if you want to search out the present tutor jobs nearer by you, then just click on that one. Then again this pop-up will show you whatever the jobs are there nearer to you. Okay, all these jobs will show you, guys. So here I selected the Mumbai, so that's why I'm getting all the Mumbai related jobs here. Fine. And the next thing is how it works. So if you want to know how it works, then just click on this one. Then you will be directed to this one, guys. See, sign up or create your own profile, create tutor account to know the Mac tuition jobs. So click here for tutor registration, as I told in the starting itself. Okay, so it is a registration page, guys. And then check Mac tuition jobs daily via instant SMS and email alerts, and by sign in or else log in into your account at least once in a day. So you may click here also. And to view the contact details of the student or parent tuition, you need to have the credits in your account. So if you need to have the credits in your account, then you have to pay 1000 rupees, okay, for 33 job contacts for 30 days. And here the few things are represented here. So based upon these amounts, you are going to get these many number of job contacts on these days. Okay, and after payment, you will get the credits with validity. Next, start taking the Match tuition contact numbers as early as possible with the help of instant SMS or the email alerts. Next, reaching parent or student immediately by calling or sending SMS, WhatsApp about your strength. If no response from the parent or student, don't worry and don't waste time by thinking about it. You can go for the next tuition job. Fine. So like that, you may finish, and whatever the tuition fee is there, okay, that you may directly talk with the parents, guys. So it is just acting like a mediator. Okay, by taking some amount from you, it is providing the job contacts to you. Okay, but please be once confirm, guys. Okay, before paying the amount, so please be confirm, or else please be sure whether it is a correct one or not. Okay, and then start paying the money. Okay, because I think it is just like a Urban Pro. Okay, Urban Pro is also same thing. Okay, so but please once check with yourself whether it is valid one or not. Okay, anyhow, these are the details. Okay, as per the website, I am just mentioning the details, guys. Right. So to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGSNet candidates who are preparing for the UGSNet exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGSNet paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide